Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set or add limit on product added for specific user role in WooCommerce WordPress. So we are going to restrict WooCommerce product creation by user role. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a user role subscriber, and then you see we created one product. So we are going to add limitation or restriction. So user cannot add more than 5, 10 product according to requirement. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to WordPress dashboard for admin. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. So in custom code you can add any user role like admin, editor, author, any custom role, and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in custom code you see product limit 10. Set the limit for the number of product. So you can add value according to your requirement. So now we are going to add one. Only allow one product per user. And then we are going to add user role. Now you see check if the user has the specific role. Replace user underscore role. So you can add administrator, subscriber, vendor, shop, customer, anything user role. So we are going to add subscriber. So we add it, and then you see message you have reached the limit of product you can add, and then scroll down you see inside method auto install location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet activated and created. So only this user role has limitation, other user role has not any limitation for product. Only subscriber has limitation. Now login with subscriber. So this is the subscriber role. Refresh the page. So we added custom code. So in custom code we set limit 1. So we already created one product according to this user role. So click on add new product, and then you see message you have reached the limit of product you can add. So in custom code you can add value or number according to requirement. And you can add user role, admin, author, contributor, any user role you want. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.